Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to stay up on today's video? I'm going to show you how to add music to your Canva design using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, on your screen at the bottom you can see there's a small plus sign. Tap on it. Now select the image you want to turn into a new design. Tap on it. It might take a few seconds, then it's gonna load on your screen. Now once you do that, on the bottom of your screen you can see there are options like design, elements, text, camera roll, brand, uploads, etc. Select in uploads and you can see you can select images, videos and audio. Tap on audio and right above audio you can see there's upload files. You can upload any audio you want that's on your device, or you can select the audio that's already uploaded. Now adjust the audio you've selected, and guys, that's it. That's how you add audio to your design on Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.